Luggage should be strong.
Oh my gosh, there it goes. Oh, it went off the edge. Oh, it went way down there. And I bet it's still okay. No cracks.
Packing should be easy, and travel should be seamless. Here at NOMATIC, we create the most functional products ever to inspire confidence for life on the move. We exist to support the movers and makers, people who hustle and that are fueled by a purpose for greatness in all aspects of life. This is our 8th Kickstarter campaign, and we are thrilled to be back. Your amazing feedback over the past 4 years has helped us create better products than we could have ever imagined. One comment we kept hearing over and over was, "When are you going to make a bag with wheels?" Creating the best roller luggage was not easy. Our team of 5 designers worked around the clock for over 2 years, testing prototype after prototype, and finally we got to a product that we are proud of and know you will love. Meet the NOMATIC Carry-On Pro, Carry-On Classic, and Check-In. Extremely durable luggage that helps organize your packing and streamline your travels. The way people travel is changing, so we designed 3 unique bags that cover all types of travel from a one-day trip to an extended vacation. Let's start with the Pro. The Carry-On Pro is perfect for frequent travelers who make 1 to 3 day trips and need their tech wherever they go. The secret sauce of this bag is our patent-pending tech compartment that includes a tech case. The tech case is a slim bag with a removable shoulder strap that can easily store your laptop, tablet, chargers, power banks, or even compact headphones, giving you easy access to all your gear while you travel. Now you can travel with just 1 bag without sacrificing the benefits of 2. Quick access into your bag makes TSA checkpoints a breeze. Accessing and using your tech couldn't be easier. And keeping your gear managed on the plane is no problem at all. If you have to check your bag, the tech compartment has a patent-pending protective panel posed perfectly to preserve personal packs from precarious pilot patterns. Just kidding. But seriously, it's strong. Once you get to your destination, just leave your luggage at the hotel and use the tech case as your day bag. We could have stopped there, but we didn't. Did we mention internal organization and compression? We added thoughtful compartmentalization, giving you a place to carry just what you need, nothing more and nothing less. One of our favorite features is our custom magnetic compression. With the ultra-strong fidlock buckle and mounted compression straps, you can pack more in less space. The folding panel allows you to decide what to compress and how. This bag was designed for short 1 to 3 day trips max, or for the minimalist packer. If you are a person who tends to overpack, this bag probably isn't for you. However, if you do need a little extra space, just remove the tech case, slide it onto your roller luggage handle, and use the extra 10 liters of the tech compartment for whatever you need. For those who need even more space, we recommend the Carry-On Classic. With the Carry-On Classic, we took organization to the next level. You get the same great compression with twice the space in the main compartment. To help you maximize the additional space, we've included 1 large and 1 medium compression packing cube designed to fit perfectly and allow you to pack even more. All 3 bags are built with the highest grade materials and components that have been tried and tested to ensure you get a product that inspires confidence. The shells are made with 100% Macrolon polycarbonate, the strongest material in its class, measured down to the 1/10 of a millimeter for maximum strength. Top of the line, silent run Hinomoto wheels that are built to last. Low profile Hinomoto handles that can take on heavy loads, external YKK zips, and finally, a 3-stage aluminum handle that can take a beating. As you can see, this luggage is top of the line, 100% built to last, and exceeds all industry standards. Last but not least, the NOMATIC Check-In offers all the same quality and components, just much, much bigger. To maximize volume, each check-in utilizes the magnetic compression system, 2 compression packing cubes, and a full perimeter expansion, making it easy to pack for extended trips or family vacations. We gave our bags to 2 frequent travelers, a world-renowned photographer and YouTuber, Peter McKinnon, and a New York Times bestselling author and host of the School of Greatness podcast, Lewis Howes, to see how they liked it.
I love the NOMATIC roller bag because of how sleek it looks. You know, you want to travel in style too. You want it to be accessible and you want to have the compartments you need, but you also want it to feel good. You want to feel like it's sturdy, that it rolls smoothly, that it's lightweight, but also durable, and it has all of that.
Favorite feature of the roller bag would have to be those nice hard tie downs that just unbuckle with the magnets. It's so easy to just cinch down all your clothing, compresses it nice and tight, and they're easily locked back on with the magnets, and it's fun to do. I just found myself doing it over and over and over. I didn't even need to be. I just kept doing it. I couldn't stop.
These 3 roller bags complete the NOMATIC line. Each one works seamlessly with our current products to create the perfect travel ecosystem. We want to take a minute to thank you, our backers. This community here on Kickstarter has built this brand. We are NOMATIC. We make the most functional products ever to inspire confidence for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the NOMATIC roller luggage takes you.